So this is the plan. I've got these 2x4s going across the top of the engine, and they're ratchet strapped to the engine, holding it up to the 2x4s. They also go through the frame. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this engine stand away, so it'll be hanging off the 2x4s. And then in theory, what I can do is then slide this frame across onto the engine, and then I can bolt it in place. And these stands to each side, these are going to keep the engine and the frame up in the air until I'm ready to lower it down with a jack. Right, let's get this engine in the frame. Is this going to work? Probably not. We can give it a